How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover your deleted chats on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Your Activity. Now here, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and simply tap on Download Your Information and follow the on-screen instructions. You can customize your download by setting a date range, format and quality. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap Create File to submit the request. And after that, Instagram will process the request. Now you just have to wait for some time for Instagram to generate the file. And once ready, you can simply download the file from the download information section under your activity. And after downloading it, the file will be in the zip format, so you can unzip or extract it. And you can open the extracted folder and go to messages, and there you can find your deleted chats. And that's it. That's how you can recover your deleted chats on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.